In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the footer on Mailchimp. If you've ever worked with Mailchimp to create and send email campaigns, you've probably noticed the footer section at the bottom of your emails. This is the part that includes your company information, unsubscribed links, and maybe even some branding. While this section is automatically added by Mailchimp to help keep your emails compliant with marketing regulations, the good news is that you can customize it to better reflect your brand and style. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to edit and personalize your Mailchimp footer, so your emails stand out and look as professional as possible. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the email design you're working on. Whether you're editing a campaign or a template, you'll want to be in the design editor. This is where you'll see all the different sections of your email laid out, almost like stacked blocks. Scroll down to the very bottom of your email. That's where the footer lives. This section is automatically added by Mailchimp, but it's completely customizable, so don't worry. Now, click directly on the footer at the bottom of your email design. As soon as you do this, a menu or options bar will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find everything you need to edit your footer right here. It might take a moment to get familiar with the layout, but don't stress. You're in the right spot if you see options like section backgrounds and text. Let's start with the footer section itself. This is where you can make broader changes to the structure and content. Maybe you want to add a company slogan, adjust the default text Mailchimp provides, or include a short message that reflects your brand. This is your opportunity to make the footer uniquely yours, so feel free to experiment with what works best. Next, take a look at the section backgrounds option. This allows you to change the background color of your footer or even add an image. It's a great way to tie your footer into your overall email design. For example, if your email has a light blue theme, you might want to use a matching shade or a complementary color in the footer to keep things cohesive. Now, let's talk about text here. You can customize the font style, size, and color of the text in your footer. Whether you want your company name to stand out with bold lettering or you prefer a simple, clean look, this is where you make it happen. Just remember, footers often contain important information, like your contact details or legal disclaimers, so prioritize readability. Don't forget about the links section. This is where you control the appearance of any hyperlinks in your footer, such as the unsubscribe or update preferences links. To make these stand out, choose a link color that's both eye-catching and consistent with your branding. For example, you might go with a classic blue or one of your brand's accent colors. If your footer feels cramped or crowded, check out the padding option. Padding adds invisible space around your content, giving everything a little breathing room. It's a simple adjustment that can make your footer look much cleaner and more polished. Finally, there's the border option. Adding a border can help visually separate your footer from the rest of the email. You can customize the thickness, style, and color of the border, or leave it out entirely for a more minimalist design as you explore these options. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always adjust things later if you change your mind. Customizing your Mailchimp footer is a quick and easy way to make your emails feel more professional and aligned with your brand. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Good luck customizing your footers, and I'll see you next time.